If you have ever monitored the meme coin market, you know how incredibly fast-paced it is. Trends can vanish the moment you look away. Prices rocket upward and crash just as quickly. I have experienced that roller coaster many times and have certainly been burned before. However, those setbacks taught me how to build a stable structure that holds up when the market gets chaotic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how that works so you can start strong and make more informed decisions from the beginning. The real turning point for me was when I stopped chasing quick profits and started treating meme coins as legitimate projects requiring patience and effort. That change in mindset completely transformed my results. Currently, I focus primarily on fresh launches. Like many, I started on Pump.fun, but the environment has changed. The space is now much more crowded, and simply participating isn't enough. Even with a great plan, luck is a factor, and learning to accept losses is part of the process. After spending so much time in the chaos of Pump.fun, I realized I needed a more organized approach, which led me to Raydium. It is now my preferred platform because the layout is cleaner, the pace is steadier, and the focus is on sustainable growth rather than constant pump and dump cycles. While Pump.fun floods the market with tokens, Raydium takes a more measured approach, allowing projects a fair chance to build momentum. I have tested many platforms, but once I discovered Splix.fun, everything fell into place. It is easily the best tool I've used for Raydium launches. It is fast, intuitive, and handles the technical backend automatically. No coding required. You can launch a project in minutes with just a few clicks. In this video, I will break down the entire process. A common rookie mistake is skipping the logo. This is your project's handshake and what draws people in. Without a professional or eye-catching design, your coin will be ignored. Aim for vibrant colors and clean shapes. For this example, I am using a buff version of Richard Waters from The Amazing World of Gumball because it's already a viral meme. Remember to resize your image to 128 by 128 before saving. Once the logo is ready, the launch is straightforward. Connect your wallet, approve the pop-up, and your token will be live and visible in seconds. You will need to enter 4 details: name, ticker, description, and logo. For this demo, the name is Jacked Richard, with the ticker Richard. While I'm skipping the description here, a witty line can greatly increase engagement. After uploading the logo, you'll move to Tokconomics. The default settings provided by the system are usually sufficient, so you can simply click Next. You can also link your social media accounts here to add credibility. Revoking authority. To make your token look trustworthy, you should enable Revoke Freeze. Guarantees trading stays active. Revoke Mint. Stops new tokens from being created. Revoke Update. Permanently locks the contract. Leaving these unchecked can make a project look sketchy. Once you hit launch and approve the transaction in your wallet, your token is officially on the blockchain. You can verify everything on SolScan to ensure it looks professional to potential traders. Liquidity is the fuel that allows your token to be traded. Without it, no one can buy or sell. To set this up, go to the Liquidity button and press it. It will redirect us to Liquidity Manage window. Select your token from the drop-down at the top field. Then we need to select Amount of Token A. In this example, I am adding 900 million tokens out of a 1 billion supply to the pool, so let's press 90%. And for the token B, which is Solana, I am recommending to press max because we can't lose this funds and always can withdraw them. Once everything is set, press Create Pool button and accept the transaction. Once pool is created, let's track our token on the DexScreen. Press View on Photon button, and it will redirect us to our token chart. Keep an eye on the liquidity and volume. Be aware that bots are active, so not every move is a human trader. You can also monitor your positions and earnings in your Raydium portfolio. If your position doesn't show up immediately, give it 10 to 15 minutes. Watch the patterns. As buyers come in, the market cap and liquidity will rise. Let's jump back to token chart and track the growth. You'll see the market starting to breathe. In these first few minutes, watch the liquidity to market cap ratio. You'll notice green candles popping up as bots and early traders jump in. Don't get distracted by every small dip. Look for higher lows on the 1-minute time frame. This shows that real buyers are stepping in to support the price. The final step is exiting your position. Go to the Liquidity tab on Raydium, select your LP position, click the minus icon, and slide it to 100%. When the SOL value looks right, click Remove Liquidity and approve the transaction. As a reminder, this is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. My profit in this example was about 10%. While that may seem small, repeating this process can lead to significant gains over time. I am not affiliated with Photon, Splix.fun, or DexScreener. I am simply sharing my personal process. If this feels right to you, it could be a great time to explore it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more meme coin content.